Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Steffi. Today I'll show you how to achieve this super elegant look. This video is perfect for somebody who is attending an Indian wedding as a guest or any party. I hope you will enjoy this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. I am starting by priming my skin using the primer by Blue Heaven Studio Perfection Primer. Then let's get done with the brows. I am using the brown eye pencil by Miss Claire to fill the sparse area, and then we'll set it using the eyebrow gel by Music Flower. For foundation, I am using the foundation by Wet n Wild in the shade Golden Beige. It is a medium to full coverage foundation. Blending it out with the help of a kabuki brush. To conceal my skin, I am using the concealer by Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Tan Light. I am using a lighter color so it adds up as a highlighter as well. And then I will blend it well with a beauty sponge. Using the Contour Cream Series palette by TYA Generation 2, I am contouring my face, starting from the hollows of my cheekbones, jawlines, forehead and nose. And then blending it out with the help of a kabuki brush. Then I am setting my face with loose translucent powder to get a flawless base. I am locking my base makeup using a setting spray. The one I am using is from Blue Heaven Studio Fix. To prep my eyelids, I am using the same concealer, starting from cleaning the border of eyebrows and then priming the eyelids. And then blending the concealer using a flat concealer brush. From my Morphe eyeshadow palette, I am taking this deep brown color and using it on the corner and the crease. Then I am taking a lighter brown shade to blend out the sharp edges formed by the previous eye shade. Whenever we go for a glittery smoky eye, we need a deep base. So I am using a deep black liquid eyeliner by Lakme and I am using it throughout my lids. And then we need to soften the edges, and for that I am using the black eyeshadow and will blend out the edges. You can leave it here if you want matte eye look, but today I am creating a glittery eye look, so I need some glitter. So taking the silver glitter eyeshadow, I am applying it directly on the top of the eyeliner that I used over my lids, and I am really liking the way it looks. For eyeliner, I am applying the liquid eyeliner from Lakme in a deep black shade. To tightline my waterline, I am using the Kajal by Lakme Iconic in deep black shade. And then I am going to make the lower lash line a little bit thicker using the black eyeshadow. And then using the light brown shade, blending it out to make it look smoky. Using the metallic shimmer shade, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye and also the brow bone. I have used the false lashes behind the camera, and this is the final eye look. Aren't they looking absolutely stunning? I am going to define my cheekbone just a little bit more by adding some warmth using bronzer. The one I am using is from Rimmel in the shade Natural Bronzer. For blush, I am using the blush by Swiss Beauty's Baked Blush and I am using it on the high planes of my cheek. The products I used in this makeup tutorial are mentioned in the description box. If you want, you can check there as well. And for highlighting my face, I am using the highlighter from Swiss Beauty's Ultra Glow, which will give a dewy look to my face. For lipstick, I am using a deep maroon shade matte liquid lipstick by Matte Me to give a matte finish to the look. And here's the final look. I paired this look with some Kundan jewelry set and I just love this look. Let me know what you guys think. Believe me, try this look out and you're gonna love yourself in this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new here, do subscribe my channel. Also let me know in the comment section how did you like the video. Also my social media links are given. If you want to follow me, you can follow me there as well. Lots of love, bye guys, and I'll see you soon with a new video.